Hello guys, it's me Aisha and today we will do topic is types of heat transfer. So let's go to the next slide for right now. Do one task, like and subscribe our videos. Okay. Objectives. Investigate how is tran. Oh my god, I have done it wrong. Investigate how heat is transferred by conduction, convection, and radiation. So these are the scrambled words. You have to take a rough copy or a fair copy, whatever you like, and you have to write perfect words like this written on the other side. These are scrambled words, so you have to do it like this. So quickly, I'm giving you 2 minutes time. Okay, done. So let's go to the next experiment time. While the water is boiling, is heating up, what is going to happen and why? So write in the comments or in your rough copy. So while the water is heating up, what is going to happen and why? It will start the bubbles will start going up and up. So that's the answer. Why do you think this? The water is heating up because it has bubbles in it. So is there anything else that is heating up? No. What would I feel if I bring my hands closer to the pan, and why? What will you feel? Okay, one experiment for you guys. When any one of your in your home is boiling water, do this experiment. Put your hand hold the what do you call this handle of it and feel what is it, plastic or metal. Then write in the comments. If it was if it was metal, so you can burn your hands because the pot is also of metal and the handle is also of metal, so we can hurt ourselves. So don't try with the metal handle, just try with the plastic handle. So if I put a metal spoon in the container and hold it, what would happen and why? Let me tell you the answer. That is, if you put a metal spoon in the hot boiling water, what will happen? That spoon will be hot. Like I told you, right? The handle one. So that one. Put a pan on the stove filled with water. The water starts to boil. So that's gonna happen. Can you explain this picture? What is happening? Heat transfers from hot objects to cold objects. So this picture is explaining that these vegetables are too hot. So they put it in the kitchen counter. Then they are saying the heat transfer from hot objects to colder. Like this is hot pan. So if you put it in a windy place, like the fan is on and you have put your vegetables there and whatever thing you have put there, so it will cool down a little bit. Look, heat is spreading there and there, here and there. So do you remember this picture? Heat energy is transferred from the stove to the pot and then the water. It starts to boil and convert to steam. That is hot. So hot. So if you put your hand above the stove, please don't do that. You can burn yourself also. So if you put a hand over the stove, So the you will get hot, and that would be steam. So let's go. Okay, conduction, conduction, convection, radiation. From the pot handle, convection is when you grab the pot handle, that's conduction. Radiation is from the heat, the stove. And convection, cold water becomes hot. Look, in the under of the pot there is a little bit cold water. It goes up in a circular motion, so it gets hotter and hotter. Explain this picture, where and how is heat transferring. So write in the comments, but I have to tell you these things also. Look, another thing, this is the meaning. Convection, that is the heat the transfer of heat through a puddle, liquid or gas. Okay, liquid or gas, anything caused by molecular motion. Conduction, the transfer of heat or electric current from one substance to the another by direct contact. Means direct contact. Okay. Radiation, energy that is radiating or transmitted in form of rays or waves of particles. Okay, that's enough. So this is question number 1, and you have to tell the answers. I can zoom for you. Look, identify the type of heat transfer of taking place in water inside the kettle. So you know this question. Now you have to tell in the comments. I'm not going to tell you the answer of it. So name the material of which kettle is made. So name the material, one word answer, that what is the kettle made of. Define type of heat transfer you have identified. What heat transfer have you identified? Write in the comments. So that's all okay for this. Next question. What does the label A show? Label A show. So look, this is the label A here, and this, what does the label B show? It's here. So you have to tell me that in the comments. Name any other method in which heat is being transferred in this diagram. Okay, now you have to solve this, and till then take care of you, and so bye guys.